Hi everybody. Well, I am going to get the boy out, and the thing is, it's a beautiful sunny day as well, so if I can slide this door open, not that that's the door that he would normally come out, of course, silly me, though you can come out this side. You coming? Over this way. Okay? Oh, we're going up top, ain't going to do it, bud. So it's been a good week of rain. Pretty much rain. So I do believe the ground will have dried up, and of course I've picked up the camera and somebody's coming through the front door, and that happens to be Noah, and he might like to join us outside with Jack. As I said, it's been raining. The ground's dried up a little bit.
No, it's still wet.
Well, it won't be that wet that Jack won't enjoy some time on the ground. But anyway, guys, if I'm holding the camera, I can't help Jack get out, so I'll turn off and I'll get him out, and then once we get outside, I'll flick the camera back on with him. Okay, let's go, bud. And I did a video just not long ago with Sia actually outside, and the colour was absolutely atrocious and it was off, and so I didn't actually put it up. I decided to not put it up. So we'll see over here, Dar. I will sit. I will see today how the colour goes. And, you know, it's very disappointing as well, because you do the video and you get some good kind of video, which there is sort of some towards the end that I might be able to put in with this one with Jack, just so you sort of see a little bit of Sia. But I was really quite, I'm just having a look to see just by the screen, because really by the screen even last time the picture looked good, but once I uploaded it and actually looked at it on the screen, I realized no, it was not good. So anyway, just panning around a little bit so you can just sort of get it. It's a little bit cloudy, but
Cloudy with the chance of meatballs.
Hey, cloudy with the chance of meatballs. Maybe, maybe not. If you want to just bring him back over this way, Dal, it's sort of, I mean, not that Jack ever really goes very far. Well, says Jack. Hello, darling. You okay? We'll make your way here. We'll sit here, Dal. And you can hang around this sort of area today. I do know that Jack would be at a point where he'd be needing the toilet. Whoa, and that little bird decided to come down a little bit low. What? No, you don't need to. Sorry, guys. No, it's in my ear. Here. Where are you going? Okay. off to the skate park, which is just down the road. So it's not too far away at all. Good exercise for the kids. Noah knows he has to check in regularly. He has spent Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today's Sunday here with me, but he will be going home today. Mum will come and pick him up a little bit later, but in the meantime I get to, whoa, actually guys, it's quite warm out here in the sun today. I'd really like Lily to be wanting to come on out as well. She fed a couple of days ago, so may look at coming out, but probably later on in the day, which will miss the sunny part of the day, which often happens with Lily. Yes, and there, you know, I've done a lot of videos with Jack, but that's, you know, Jack has been the one that has been wanting to come on out, and you're not going in there, buddy, okay? Because you're getting behind those plants, dude, and I won't be able to find you, will I? Hey? Won't be able to find you at all if you go in there. Gosh, I hope the colour's good on this particular video today. But UV, sun, even I've needed it. I've been for a walk earlier on today, Duke and Nick off Ant, which was lovely, just to get out and breathe some fresh air. You know, the house can get rather stuffy sitting in it all the time, so it's you know, certainly good to get outside. And as you know, I'm an extreme believer in our snakes being able to get outside and enjoy it as well. So I jumped at it today. You know, I come back from the shop and went, wow, you know, this sun is too good to miss. I have to get up close to Jack because I can't see him with the sun glaring on the back of this camera screen here. Neighbours have visitors and they're bipping and all the rest of it today. Oh, it is hot. We are, you know, coming to the end of, there you go, Jack, good boy, the end of winter here, so we're heading into our spring, but really we've not had some winter. Really, we haven't. And I was talking to somebody the other day and I was saying, you know, it's almost like we've got to move further south these days. Everybody has moved north to get the warmer weather and the sunshine and what have you, and it's fabulous, for sure. But you know, I ask myself at the end of winter, well, did we really get winter? And it's almost like that last few weeks before spring hits us that we might get some rain and cooler days. But before that, you know, you've seen me, I've been pretty much outside and in the sunshine quite regularly with the snakes. So don't get me wrong, I'm not complaining at all being able to have that. It's amazing to be able to have that regularly. But we also need some cool weather, and we need rain, rain to wash away all the dirt and everything that dust and all of that stuff, germs and oh, that's what I believe anyway, to just wash it all away. And I think my snakes think to themselves, well, is it winter? They know, they go through the motions of, well, it's certainly breeding season, and Jack has certainly let me know that it's breeding season. He's kept me pretty busy, and this is the one thing that I've loved about being able to get him outside, is to wear him out a little bit, instead of him pacing and constantly looking for Lily. Just taking his mind off it, and he gets outside and he does this exercise, and then he goes back inside and he says, well, I'll have a nap now because I'm rather exhausted after that. So it's been good to be able to actually bring him outside, and this last week has been terrible, not being able to get him outside. He only ate that small rat the other night, the other night a week ago, so we'll be able to offer him another feeder, probably even tonight, and see if he wants it, which will possibly settle him down for a couple of days. I still won't offer him a large rat at the moment. I will stick with the smaller ones. When I say smaller, probably the large, but not the extra large. Jack is preferring, the much smaller feeder at the moment. And I guess when they've got females on the brain, they don't want to eat a great big rat because then they can't do anything, can they? Except digest food, instead of the things that they'd like to be doing. So I won't offer him that extra large. He just won't take it. He bites it, and when I say he bites it, he doesn't strike it, because I just lay it there and he goes over and he sizes it up and he bites onto it, and then he goes to kind of lift it, and then it's almost like, well, that's too darn heavy, I don't want it, and he just lets go of it and off he goes. And so I waited another week and I offered it again, and he did exactly the same thing. He just sort of put his mouth, opened his mouth, grabbed, no major strike onto it, just put his mouth over it, lifted it, did the same thing, let go of it, no, don't want it. And that was when I went in and I got a smaller one, put that down, grabbed that, didn't strike it, just slowly went over, put his mouth on it and went, yep, that one's perfect, thank you very much. So he ate it, but much smaller than the normal. So anyway, but he ate. So that was all that I really cared about, was that he actually ate. So he was hungry, he just didn't want a bigger feeder at all. So I don't know what he's up to and where he thinks he's going to be going, but you can come back this way, dude. I kind of know Jack well enough that look, we've even got mushrooms growing in the yard. It's that time of the year. I'd say one of the kids came along, and because it was a perfect mushroom and not, sorry, I'm just picking up bits, but as you can see, beautiful mushrooms. Not really enough for a feed, of course, but anyway, kids have the other one was quite a big one actually, a nice size, but anyway, more might pop up. Sorry guys, I'm picking up and moving around here. So Jack, Mum's going to finish this video. You can keep on cruising for a while. So guys, take care of yourself, your family, your friends, your snakes. You can go for a climb up there. I don't know if that's hot. No, it's not hot. It's warm, but it's not hot. All your animals. Ciao.